101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, Smart of Your Life. Yeah, namely English discussion, Smart FM with English communities. Yeah, with me, Diastis Haril Sam or RD Sam. And of course, I'm not alone here. We have guests. Yeah. From a few communities. But before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one. Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys. How are you? Pretty good. Fine. Excellent. Yes, good. And etc. How about you, viewers there? Okay, yes. Welcome back in our second home. Yeah, yeah. As I mentioned just now, that I would like to invite them to how to say introduce yourself one by one. I want to move from you, Mr. The one and only, the most handsome in my guest here, right? Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your community and what about the agenda, please?
Okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Let me introduce myself. My complete name is Rijal Mahril, but most of my students call me Rochi for short because I'm an English teacher. Now my activities like freelance teacher, handling like online activities, online TOEFL course, and handling speaking skills.
And
online.
also content creator.
That's why. That's why I'm here. And then I join in Al Khair community. Al Khair community is one of the activities which integrates between Arabic language and also English language. So sometimes in a group, I cannot. If it is still about English, I can still understand it. But when they talk about Arabic language, sometimes I go stuck up. Oh, what do they mean? I think I'm in
Hands
the
up.
other planet.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up.
Yeah.
So we have actually agenda like every similar like this tonight. They focus on Islamic study. Discussing about Islamic studies, Islamic issues, but in Arabic and in English. So, and maybe it will be more about Germany or maybe other languages.
Wow.
They will expand it. Yeah, that's why I really like to join there.
Okay.
I really want to expand my.
Okay, thank you. Welcome back, Sir Rijal. Yeah. Okay, next, what about you? Do you get the point right? Okay,
Yes.
long time to see.
Yes, I guess.
Where have you been? Okay, please, come on.
I'm Zakia. You can call me Kia.
Like a song?
Yes, you know that song.
I know.
Yeah, it is.
Zakia.
It is describing your age actually. I'm from Max, Al Markas for Hoodie and Lining Studies.
Okay.
It is one of the English community in Makassar, and we take a place in Al Markas, Masjid Al Markas, and we have 3 times meeting in a week.
Okay.
That is Tuesday, Thursday, and Wednesday. Of course, we discuss a lot of issues that happen in national or international, especially common issues like what happened in our country
like
previous days,
like corruption and etc. Okay.
like that. And so sometimes we also discuss simple thing like happiness, like curiosity. So we discuss a lot of things, and we also provide like a basic English class for those who want to learn basic in English. So just like that.
Okay, welcome back, Zakia. Okay, next, please. Introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your communities, and what about the agenda, please?
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aurika Nuraisha Masri, and you can call me Au or Rika.
Rika.
I'm from SEC, English Camp and Community. Our agenda is like we study in the morning until night, and our lesson are like grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, and
Singing.
Yeah. No.
Dancing, yeah. Okay.
So
Reciting Quran. Yeah.
no.
Uh-huh.
So if you guys curious about us, you
Please.
can find us in
Instagram,
Instagram or Facebook
Mhm.
at SEC Puncak Maros,
I see.
and of course also you can find us in Google Maps,
Mhm.
Kampung Inggris
Okay, is the
Makassar.
brother or sister of Puchak is Puchuk?
No. Pucuk.
Okay, thank you. Rika, yeah. Okay, next, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? And what about the agenda, please?
Okay, so hello everyone. So
Hello.
yeah. So my full name is Andi Syarifah Dayana Fadila, but my friend mostly call me Diana, and I also prefer to call Diana. I'm from
Lady Diana.
I'm from Ar-Rahma Major Voice,
Mhm.
or also known as IMV. So it's an internal English community of my school, SMPT
Okay.
SMA Ar-Rahma.
Mhm.
So in our community, we study and we developed our interest. Like that's why we have many branches such as debate or spelling bee and speech, such as like that.
Sorry, you are junior high school?
Junior high school.
Yeah.
Yeah, at SMPT SMA
Ooh.
Ar-Rahma. Yeah.
Wow.
That.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you, Diana. Okay, give big applause for us. As I just mentioned just now, that of course I would like to mention our topic for this evening after they introduce themselves one by one. Did you know, guys, smart listeners and viewers at home, as Indonesian country, of course, our country is consists of 17,000 island more. Oh wow, and we are the richest culture country of all of the world, of course, and of course we have a huge potential in every aspect included in our topic this evening, and our topic for this evening is hidden gem. Give it a applause for us. Yes, yeah. When we're talking about hidden gem, we translate to Indonesia. It means that mutiara yang tersembunyi, but the meaning itself is very, how to say, universe, mutiara. But you can call another's meaning something like that. But I would like to ask you guys about your opinion about our topic for this evening. Start from you, Zaki. How do you think about our topic for this evening? Hidden gem.
I think this topic is like your characteristic, simple but quite amazing. I mean,
My characters.
yes, I mean
How
it
could
is
it
like
be?
because you're a simple but amazing person that, as I know, as your junior, of course,
Mhm.
and
You stalking my Instagram and WhatsApp story.
oh my god, you just knew that? Oh my god, I have done it for many years, by the way.
Okay.
Okay.
Continue, please. Continue. Continue.
Like this previous discussion, and I think it is in every discussion that you host here, it
Mhm.
always give a very simple theme, but
Mhm.
not many people will think about that,
Oh, really?
think about to discuss about it. So
Mm.
like out of the box theme.
The
and that's-
topic?
Yes,
Our
that's why
topic.
that's why I like
Wow, thank
to
you. Oh my
to,
God.
to listen to every
Uh-huh.
single theme in this talk show.
Hold on.
Mm.
Apakah saya punya uang kecil?
Oh my god, I just need $10,000,
Oh my God.
please. Yeah,
Apa?
that's my opinion about the theme. It is like your icon, this talk show icon, such a simple but not many people will think to discuss about that.
Okay. Hidden gem.
Hidden gem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Ustad, yeah. What about you? What about you, Ustad? How do you think about
It's too high for me. The title is too high for me.
How do you think about our topic for this evening? Come on.
Okay. Well, actually, that kind of topic, that kind of stuff is really amazing, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Simple but incredible. Just like it is associated to the, I can make like similar concept like undiscoverable treasure.
Okay. Wow.
This is like a treasure, but it has not been invented. It has not been discovered by anyone. But when it goes to viral, it's not undiscoverable treasure anymore. It's not hidden gem anymore.
I agree.
So if you still wanna be hidden gem, don't go viral. Don't be discovered. So it is associated to many things, wide range of things. The first like state of the arts, out of work, and also like tourism spots, restaurants, even like the person with high quality. Maybe that person's something like historian. Like many people look for information from that person. That's why he has a high value. That's why he is labeled as a hidden gem. And also similar to restaurant, maybe the restaurant maybe is located far away, maybe in the rural areas.
You know,
Just-
the old, how to say,
Mm.
the old currency, you know,
The old
mata uang kuno.
Currency,
How to
yeah,
say
yeah,
in
yeah.
English, guys?
Currency, the old
Yeah, the old
currency.
currency. Yes.
Sometimes old, but it has
Old but good.
values. Yeah.
Yeah.
Has a high values, I think.
Uh-huh.
And also tourism spot. I think like Karos Ramang, we don't have to take example far ways in Java. I think we have our own in Maros and in Pangkep. Karos Ramang, I think it used to be a hidden gem, but when it went to viral, so it's not to be. I think we don't have to go abroad. Don't have to go overseas to look for hidden gem. I think we have our own.
Yeah, I still agree. Actually, when we call Ramang as a hidden gem, because
Yeah.
you know,
Mm.
this is especially for international
Yeah,
tourists,
yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
they never
They
visit
never found
there,
it.
and you know, it's a
Yeah.
really really amazing Ramang.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think it needs like exposure and promotion from our government.
Okay, it's interesting. Okay, keep your
Okay.
statement. Okay, I move to you, Lady Diana. Diana. Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
So I think this topic today, it's very interesting because you know, it's really mind blowing. Like, I'm so excited to talk about this because
Oh, okay.
I feel like there's
And you practice.
Yeah.
You was right.
Yeah.
I guess it.
Of course. And I
Uh-huh.
think this topic is really interesting because, yeah, there's no many people talk about this in this way. Like they discuss it really, really well, and also taking many guests to talk about this. Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. Give your statement. Okay, I move to you, the blue one. Aurika. Yeah. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
I think this topic is so simple, but it's too hard to discuss.
Oh, really?
Because
Simple.
I think in our era, like everything's gonna be
Everything?
viral.
Okay.
Viral, like too easy to viral.
It seems like
So-
everything is gonna be alright.
So I think hidden gem, it's so hard to find in this era because
Yeah, that's why we call hidden.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think so.
Okay, so you are so excited.
Yeah, of
for this
course. I'm
evening.
excited.
Okay, thank you guys. I move to the next question. Yeah. My next question is, when you first time actually hear these terms, and what moment did you ever visit also in something we call that hidden gem? Okay, I'm start from you, Mister. Yes, when you first time, maybe 30 years ago.
I'm to indicate that I'm really old.
Yeah. When you first time hear this, how to say terms?
Astonishingly, like it came to my mind. It was last year, I think.
Last year.
Yeah, hidden
okay.
gem. When we talk, because at the time I taught in, how to say, in tourism polytechnic in here, and that was why I heard something like hidden gem, because you know that in tourism campus, tourism college, because at the time I taught in, how to say, in UPW, it's like a guiding department. So they are supposed to be a guide in the coming years after they graduated from the campus. At that time I know, and then after I search again in the social media, in the Facebook, hidden gem like that, like something that is unfamiliar, that is unknown to many people, although it has a, for example, when it is a few tourism spots, it has a high value, it can be commercialized by.
Did you ever found that we call hidden gem?
Pardon?
Did you ever found?
Fine.
No, I mean like hidden gem itself. Did you ever?
Hidden gem in what context? On
I mean like
spot.
Up to you.
Anything. Just as far as I know, I just know like tourism spot, restaurant, and many things like handicraft. Like
I mean, but your experience itself.
Hidden gem. When it is associated to people, I just know from you that hidden gem can also be associated to human. I realized that hidden gem, like maybe someone who has character that is not possessed by many people nowadays. Maybe like their honesty, maybe their how to say, their genuine character. That maybe now not many people possess that kind of character. Maybe I think like that, but. So far, I just know that hidden gem like tourism spots and restaurants.
Maybe you was ever to Salju Abadi to Puncak Jaya Wijaya.
I mean, someday.
Hidden gem.
Someday, I hope someday.
Someday is lost because you know global warming.
Yeah,
No, please. This year,
give me your check.
give me your
Give me
money.
your money.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, funny experience. Okay, what about you? When you first time to hear about these terms, and did you ever visit, or maybe found something that we call hidden gem itself?
I think the term of hidden gem already popular several years before. I mean, even nowadays, Gen Z like to use
Which
the,
one is
the
Gen
term.
Z? Gen Z. Yeah,
Gen-
yeah.
I am
Oh,
the
yeah,
Gen
okay.
Z. That's why we have a very different gap of age, grandpa.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but so far, the hidden gem that I already found is like a unique cafe, a vintage bookstore, and tourism spot. Some of them, but it is not. I directly found that place.
I suggest you to visit in Cafe Uji Nyali, in the behind of the Rumah Kuning. You know Rumah Kuning in
Yes, I pass.
there is the hidden gem Cafe
I
Uji
pass
Nyali.
that
No,
cafe
yeah, really.
almost every
Yeah.
day. I know that. I know the cafe.
Haven't yet very viral, so that's why we call hidden gem still.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a place like that not many people know about
Yeah.
that place, and
Cafe
I like
Uji Nyali.
to worth to try. I think.
Let's try it.
Let's go together lah. Kak. Yeah, like that. Only, but I visit those place or those restaurant, cafe, or tourism objects because I saw the video in Instagram. Some people already visited those place, and they say that it's like a hidden gem because it has a very good panorama. Like you say before, for example, the restaurant or the cafe, they have a very unique or interesting menu, and the taste is very delicious. That's why we call it a hidden gem.
Okay.
I visited some of them, and then after those places being viral,
Okay.
I stopped visiting.
Really?
Because I don't. Yeah.
Come on.
Because I don't really.
Spill.
I don't
Spill.
really like to meet many people actually. So when
Ah.
I don't like standing in line just for hanging out in the cafe. So sometimes I wait until that cafe or restaurant has no people inside. So,
Okay.
but in tourism objects, I like to visit like maybe like a waterfall in the middle of the forest that
I think
only
waterfall in the Middle East.
is there.
Yeah, hidden gem there.
Yeah, I
is.
guess so. I guess so
Okay.
there, but I like only local people that visited that place because nobody knows about that. But there was
Nobody.
like an influencer visited
Mhm.
that place and videoing
Yeah,
the view,
you
and then
say
it's become viral.
Nobody.
But
Bet
you-
you.
okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, what about you, Aurika? When you first time to hear these terms, and have you ever visited something that we call hidden gem itself?
Actually, I forget when I heard this term
Mm-hmm.
because I always find in social media,
Okay.
Instagram.
Mhm.
So
Not
uh,
Facebook.
no, I don't have Facebook.
Only Instagram.
Yes. Because that I know
Mhm.
what is the hidden gem means,
Uh-huh.
and I think I never found a hidden gem place because I never go outside.
Mm.
I'm introvert.
You never see Peri?
Furry. No.
No?
Yes.
Like, kunang-kunang, something like that. Never.
Never.
Okay.
I think just like product makeup.
Don't mention
hidden-
it.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't mention
Okay.
it. Because that is a brand.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, keep your statement. Okay, I move to Diana. Okay, when you first time to hear this term?
So
In today?
no,
Yesterday?
I don't. I don't really remember
Mhm.
when is the last time I know about these idioms. But the things that I remember is I know this idiom. It's from social media.
Mhm.
So that's why at first
What application?
TikTok.
TikTok. Okay.
So that's why at first I thought this idiom is just specifically used for some place or destination,
Mhm.
tourism spot like that. Because in social media, it's generally used to like influencer just
Mhm.
filming the spot or a destination
Mhm.
that is not many people know about that.
Do you know
but-
influencer?
Yeah.
The college, the peoples who got a
Yeah.
cold. Influencer. Okay, kidding. Okay, continue your statement.
Yeah, that is the first time. I don't really remember when the first
Mm.
time that I heard that.
Did you
idiom.
found a hidden gem?
No, actually, because
No. You went to
yeah.
visit to Erebambang in Pencong.
No.
You know, one of a village in Goa. There is a, how to say, permandian air panas.
Ah.
Yeah, in Goa. There is
Ooh.
permanent air panas. And we just know about permanent air panas in Leja, in Sopeng. But
Yeah.
actually, there is also in Goa.
Oh.
Yeah, Ere Bambang. We call
Ah.
Ere Bambang in Desa Pencong, the
Yeah.
Goa regions. Let's go there, hidden gem.
Yeah, as a person that is actually didn't really explore this city,
Mhm.
I actually didn't really know about any places or hidden gem.
Okay, you just explore on by
Yeah.
Google, right?
Yeah.
By googling. Okay, thank you, Diana. Okay, we move to the next question. Do you have any special request about the question? Okay, my question is yeah, actually, yeah, we cannot deny that we are the richest culture in the world. How do you think about our, how to say, hidden gem that inside and abroad may claim our hidden gem, like our receipt, our culture, like dance, yeah, like a song, traditional song, and something like that. Yeah, how do you think about the other countries claim our product, something like that? Diana, How do you think about the other country claim our product, our culture?
I think that's really cruel.
Mm?
That is really cruel because
Mhm.
yeah, we know that it's ours.
Mhm.
They shouldn't be claiming that it's from theirs because we know that we have that.
Mhm.
Yeah, we own that.
Mhm.
Yeah, so they shouldn't do that actually.
So
That's
it means like um corrupt also, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You not agree about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Erika? How do you think about the abroad country, other country always claim ours, something like that?
Like the Diana said, it's so
Mhm.
cruel. But this question
Mhm.
in Twitter, maybe Indonesia
Mhm.
netizen always talking about it,
Mhm.
like our culture and any foraging
Mhm.
claim it. So I think it's so cruel.
Mhm. So cruel. Only that?
Yes.
Any more? Any else?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Seki? How do you think about that? About that phenomena that, yeah, in outside, in a abroad country, in others country, always claim.
I think it is a normal thing that
Why?
should happen because
Normalization.
no, I'm not inviting people to normalize that thing that like
Okay.
because we have a similar culture,
Mm-hmm.
like Indonesia and Malaysia, they have a similar
Like mirroring, you mean?
culture,
Uh-huh.
similar language.
Mhm.
So it is something that will happen
Mhm.
now, before, or even in the future, in even many generation ahead. It will
Mhm.
happen. Climbing the culture will still exist in the
Mhm.
future. It is because of the similarity.
Mhm.
And I mean, I actually don't like, I cannot blame the country,
Mhm.
and because as a citizen of this country also,
Okay.
we ensure ourselves
Mhm.
that the culture is ours, while we don't know the history of the culture.
Mhm.
We don't know the story about the culture. We say it in like Twitter or TikTok. We share the post that this island is ours, this
Mhm.
culture is Indonesian, this
Yes.
language is our language. Is because many people say that
Mhm.
it is not comes for our understanding of that culture.
Mhm.
So I'm not really like blaming the other side, but if we sure that it is our culture, why we don't
Mhm.
learn about that?
Mhm.
And climbing each other is not something that we need to make it a big things.
Mhm.
It is something that we can discuss each
Mhm.
other between one country with another.
Mhm.
So yeah, I'm not inviting people to normalize that,
Mhm. Mhm.
but it is a normal thing
Mhm.
that happen among the country, not only Indonesia and Malaysia. Maybe
You mentioned it. Okay, you mentioned it. Okay, okay, come on. Okay,
But also,
continue. Okay,
maybe
continue.
Indonesia and
Southeast Asia. Yeah.
another country,
Mhm.
like maybe we have a similar culture, maybe because it is from Indonesia,
Our
but,
ancestor also.
yes,
Yeah.
they adopt the culture, and
Mhm.
they give such an innovation.
Mhm.
That's why that's why the culture becomes theirs.
Mhm.
So yeah, it is okay, just
Mhm.
discuss it. I
Mhm.
mean, when we want to claim it as ours, let's put the evidence in the discussion
Mhm.
session that this is the reason why we claim that culture is ours,
Mhm.
and this is the reason why you cannot claim it as yours, because we
Mhm.
have the story, we have the evidence, we understand the culture. That's why we can discuss it. But if we don't know about that, why you want to discuss?
Mhm.
You just angry without you angry nothing.
Mhm. Mhm.
I mean, your knowledge about that is zero. You just angry because people angry, like that. Thank you.
Amazing. Okay, what about you, Mister? Yeah, the most handsome here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I don't
for
bring a
speakers.
small change.
Okay, come on. How do you think about the claim that phenomenon in our
Okay.
cultures in others? Country.
Responding to this phenomena, I think it's normal happening in all parts of the world. I think because how to say, yeah, I partially agree with Miss Zakia. Say that it's normal because
Partially,
especially
yeah.
partially, yeah.
Like
Partially, just half of it, I agree about that. Well, actually, people climb something because they feel there's such kind of feeling of possessing something because the other people, the other party doesn't prove that they have it. So, for example, I don't wanna claim, I don't wanna mention, country A, country B, for example. Country B claim that this one belongs to this culture, belongs to this one belongs to this one. Because why? I think country A doesn't approve. Just like maybe like there is immigration from country A to country B. As time goes by, they live in country B and they promote that culture and more popular in
Which
the
one?
country.
Country A, country B.
I
Which
don't
one?
know. I don't want to say it's gonna be a criminal when I say something like that. That's why I don't like going to country B and finally it goes viral. It becomes more famous than the previous country that culture coming from. So that's why they claim it. And country A doesn't have any action how to promote that. I think so. That's why I say we cannot fully blame. If you want to, if you don't want other country claim it, why don't you find a way to struggle how to promote that more massively than the other country? If you really want it to be yours, so not just complaining, not just complaining why you the country claim, but please do some actions, put some actions in order not other country claim that things. So put more massive promotion, put more massive action that it is real from us. Put it in some action and give evidence that it is the real from our ancestors, genuinely inherited from our ancestors. So nobody will claim it.
I like your
Or make a modification, something like that. So if other countries want to claim it, put more modification. I think we cannot blame the other country why claim it, because this one never show any action how to prove that this is your original.
I like your
things.
diction,
Yeah.
genuine, like Masen.
Yeah.
I like it. Genuine. Okay, have you?
Thank you.
This question? Have you? Okay, we move to the next question. Yeah, sometimes we face the dilemma when the treasure, how to say, will find or found by others people in massive. Suddenly, that place, that things, not hidden gem anymore. When they goes viral, something like that. So, guys, what should we do to anticipate? Are we let them happen from the treasure we called hidden gem to be viral and not hidden gem anymore because it's goes to be viral? What should we do? Let them or not or what? This is dilemma. Yeah, because sometimes, not sometimes, but often the human being, they had to say broke the environment. They, you know what I mean, right? Okay, so this is a dilemma. What should we do? We just let them to to just visit there by massive or what? Maybe you have another perspective about this or insight. Let them to be, how to say, hidden gem or to be viral or what? Oh, you get the point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I start from you. How do you think?
I think it's like can happen because you know social media, right?
Stay
Everything.
stay like hidden gem or goes to be viral, which one you
Oh.
choose?
Oh, okay.
Because we need to promote our destination, right? Which one you choose
I think
and
Uh,
why?
it's just go viral.
Go viral.
Yes.
Okay. Why?
Because this era
Mhm.
it's easy to become a viral.
Mhm.
So hidden gem
Like to be viral, like Nikita Mirzani or Jay Persik. Okay, continue, please. Continue.
like influencer, if a influencer go
Mm.
to that place,
Again.
Yes.
Influencer.
so the place gonna be viral. So I think the hidden gem is hard to be hidden gem.
Yeah, super to goes
Yeah.
to be viral.
It's too
Okay.
easy.
Okay, because you need money.
Of course, I
Of
did.
course. Okay, thank you. What about you? Which one you choose? Hidden gem, forever, or goes to be viral?
Okay.
And why?
Actually, as a person that is not really knows about some places or something or object, that finding an hidden gem is an personal happiness for me. Like I have an excitement to introduce it to everyone else. So in this case, I'll choose that I think hidden gem should be exposed. Yeah.
Why?
Everyone should know about this.
Mhm.
Everyone should know
Mhm.
because it's like hidden gem, it's something that it is really outstanding,
Mhm.
like, but it doesn't have any hype, but it
Mhm.
should, because it's special.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Because you need popular.
Not really.
Okay, thank you, Diana. Okay, how do you think, Mister? Which one do you choose? Hidden gem forever or goes to be viral soon?
Okay, maybe like the problem is when it is still hidden gem, maybe you wanna think like it goes to the perspective of being a hidden gem means
Mhm.
like being naturally forever,
Mhm.
but when it comes to be how to say going viral,
Mhm.
going to be exposed, so sometimes it cannot be conserved naturality of that
Mhm.
kind of thing. Like wilderness means like scenery that in its natural form, I think.
Mhm.
So it's happening especially in our country, like how to say, it is still hidden gem like Karsaman Ramang.
Mhm.
You still want to keep the naturality of the surroundings
Mhm.
without changing anything, but for making it viral, so some people, like local people, need to do some innovations,
Mhm.
some modifications to that kind of wilderness, or but not to become hidden gem, maybe a little bit not naturally anymore, because
Mhm.
when it comes to be viral, it's going to be commercialized, I
Mhm.
think. When it becomes to commercialize, you're gonna attract more visitors
Yeah,
to visit that
mhm.
place, and then you're gonna stuck into the perspective. The first is keep its naturality. The
Mhm.
other one, improve it by doing some modification in order
Mhm.
to attract more visitors. So
Mhm. Mhm.
it's gonna be like dilemma,
Yeah,
but
dilemma. That's why.
yeah,
Cool.
but the streamline, the bottom line here
Mhm.
is like how the government
Mhm.
collaborate with the local people, how to keep that wilderness naturality,
Mhm.
the hidden gems.
Which one which one local people do you mean? Are you local people?
I think the government still have to consider about collaboration with the local people, how
Mhm.
to keep hidden gems still natural,
Mhm.
still conserve local values of that local culture,
Yeah.
local wisdom, karifan lokal, but
Mhm.
still not changing the local wisdom, but still attracting more visitors to come, like happening in Bali. I think like
Mhm.
I ever heard like in a YouTube channel, like some some local wisdom in Bali becomes like they still want to keep conserve like conservatory of the local values, but like many other like foreigners, like Western foreigners, because they did something like irrelevant to the principles or ethic with the local people, so they got dilemma. It becomes a big deal, a big case. I think, and all the local people, government, and people there should collaborate, discuss together how to keep the naturality of that place while still attracting. It's not easy, but as long as the government still trying to put some effort, I'm sure that both of the things can be how to say,
Harmonize.
harmonized, can be given like in a balanced life. I think that will be. It's not easy, but there is still solution in every.
And the most important is you need many viewers, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you. Which one do you choose? Yeah.
Many viewers.
Hidden gems forever or going to be viral?
You need more viewers.
Okay, please.
For me personally, I like to see that place become popular
Okay.
because you know
Because
the first is many people out there have no any access to nature, like Sister Diana explained before, that she has the right of everyone to know the good place like that. And the second is, I think it is the behavior of human, natural behavior of ours, that we really like to be the first informant, the first sharing, the first known. So the first posting to when we visited to a place, we like to taking a lot of pictures, videos, and then we share it. Is this not only because we want to share the people about our experience visiting those places, but we want to all people know about there is a beautiful place like here. So we hope to them to invite those places. But I agree with what Pak Guru said before.
yeah.
Because
Ustad,
he
Pak Guru.
he doesn't want to call as a Ustad, so I call him Pak Guru.
Content creator also.
Yes.
Yes.
So when a hidden gem start to be popular, there is a homework for the local people and the local government there. As he said before, that we need to prepare ourselves before the massive come to visit the place. It's not only by by many people visiting those places. It can increase the economic sector of the local people. They can sell the local food, snacks, and rent the snacks. They can rent some facilities like bale-bale or ban for swimming.
Bale-bale.
You like that.
Bale-bale, yeah.
So in one side, there are many advantages of a hidden gem being a popular, but in another side, there is a huge homework for the local government to protect it, because nowadays many people, many people who like to throw trash around that place, and it decreased the beauty of that place, and it's not bad.
Okay.
So I like to be popular.
Oh, sake. Thank you.
I mean the place, not me.
Okay, please your conclusion about our topic for this evening. Your conclusion about hidden gem, please. Come on. You can do it. Come on.
So, yeah, I feel so happy after this discussion. Yeah,
because this hidden gem, this radio.
Yeah.
This is first time for you, right?
Yeah,
Hidden gem.
This is my first time actually.
Oh my god.
Cause in this discussion, I I can like, you know,
I don't know. Come on, I'm waiting you.
like my knowledge is
Mhm.
getting more.
Mm,
Yeah, you
improve.
understand? Yeah,
Yeah.
improve.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm improving.
That's
It's
it.
like it's like I'm improving my knowledge by
Okay,
this.
thank you, Diana. What about you? What is your conclusion for our topic this evening?
I think my conclusion for this topic,
Mhm.
hidden gem can capture our capture.
Mhm.
Sorry,
Screenshot or capture?
can create our image
Uh-huh.
to something valuable
Mhm.
or beauty
Mhm.
that has not been discovered by many people.
Wow.
And for you guys, find your own hidden gem.
Us?
Yes. Find your own hidden gem
Uh-huh.
and always remember to keep it.
Mhm. Keep it.
Yeah.
Keep it. Thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion, Zakia?
Okay, I want to say it clearly. Where is the camera? Okay.
Okay. Narcissist. Come on.
Yeah, my conclusion is, especially for Sulawesi Selatan,
Uh-huh.
has a lot of hidden gem.
Yeah, we have Evi Masamba. We have
No.
hidden
So
gem.
just go and find it.
Mhm.
Don't waste your time. Don't
Uh-huh.
wait until somebody accompany you. Don't afraid to go solo trip. Just go out and explore the beautiful panorama in South Sulawesi.
Mhm.
Visit Celebes. Thank you.
Okay, yes, okay. Tourism ambassador. Okay, please. What about your conclusion?
Okay, if you still wanna be hidden gem, don't go viral. So, because why there are two consequences of
Uh-huh.
between still hidden gem and going viral. Going viral, the consequence is like there is inculturization, like
Okay.
something coming to that culture when the context is all about like a tourism spot or culture in one certain place. So there will be like acculturization, how
Mm.
to keep that, how to conserve that kind of culture or local values. But the other things, we still have to promote it in order to commercialize and to open new employment for the local people. So what I want to suggest here is just like need collaboration of all the people, not only the local people, the government and all people, because the hidden gem is the responsibility for all of us.
I
not
trust
only-
you. It works.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Element. Thank you. So if you wanna be
thank you
hidden
guys.
gem, go
Give a
viral.
applause for us. Yeah, thank you Diana. Yeah, from AMV, thank you. Aurika from ICC, thank you. Zakia from Max, ya. Penari Gurun Pasir Ternama. Thank you. Rijal for LR. Thank you guys. Thank you smart listeners and viewers at home. Yeah, that's all our conversation and discussion about our topic for this evening. The topic is hidden gem, and don't forget to always watch and listen Smart FM 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia in our program English program About Your Life with English Community every Tuesday at 7 p.m. and we will of course see you for the next week. Bye. Yeay, tepuk tangan dulu.